Alright, I've been out with the dogs twice today. I printed like 7 days worth of sales at the restaurant. What else did I do? I did entered those sales in the QuickBooks. Now I got some errands to run. I got bank, post office, and gym. Curls for the girls. And yeah, I'm on my way to the bank now. I would also just like to point out that I am rocking my new beautiful On Clouds, courtesy of Abigail. Thank you very much. Now, I'm the flyest guy in the gym. My feet are the most comfortable. And I can run so fast. You wanna see me? You wanna see me go? That'll be on the next episode. Beautiful. Taking the best walk of the day again over the bridge. One of my animals has joined me. Hey, come here. Here. Hey. Let me fix this, please. I don't like when it looks like that. Good. All right, where is your brother? Huh? There, he's down there. Coda Bear, let's go, buddy. I'm leaving you. We're going to the restaurant. He'll be here in a moment. Here, this way. Making sure there's no rabbits anywhere. Yeah. Nice of you to join us, Coda Bear. Back across the best walk of the day with my two buddies. You hunting chipmunks? Oh, you're so tall. One day you'll get one. One day you can climb a tree. I will miss this one day. Hanging out in the brook with the dogs. It's one of the first things I did with Farrah when I brought her home. She ran into the water with Coda, and I was like, yep, this dog is fearless. She is comfortable, putting her paws on everything. Pretty flowers. You love the water, huh, puppy? She's smart. Coda can do it too. Baby boy. We got our drinks, we got our cards, we got Milfy Mom. Life's good.